kitchen. Thank you for joining me, and today's recipe is from my 4 Seasons Ninja Foodie cookbook, and in there you'll find the full list of ingredients. And if you need any of the equipment that I use during the recipe, then just go over to my website and it'll be linked on my accessories page for you. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button for me, and if you're new to Susannah's Kitchen, then subscribe to my channel for new weekly content. I'd love to see some of your creations, so don't forget to add them to my Facebook group and tag me in on my social media platforms. The links are all down below in my description. So I think we've got everything covered. Let's start cooking.
So I'm making dirty chicken and bacon loaded fries, and these are really good. Of course, you could make these with some frozen chips, but I think it's always nice to make your own, and I think they taste better. So I've cut my potatoes into chips. Obviously, I've peeled them as well. And then I have soaked them in water for an hour. I have drained them. I have dried them. In the bottom, I've got my water ready for steaming, and we want to steam these to soften them first and then air fry them, because I think that is the best way to make your chips. Now, I have got a lot in my basket here, so I'm going to be using steam air fry, and I'm ready to go. My chips are cooked. They're nice and crispy on the edges and nice and soft in the middle. Now let's load them up. I'm going to start off with my cooked chicken, and then my lovely caramelized onions, crispy bacon. These are going to be so good. And then you can add what cheese you like. So I've got a little bit of cheddar, and then I'm going with some mozzarella on the top as well. Let's get the lid down and let's grill them. Here are my dirty chicken, bacon and cheesy fries. So good. Look at them. Absolutely delicious. I'm just going to dive in here. Look at that. It's got onion, it's got cheese, it's got the chips, chicken, bacon, it's got everything. That's so good. Don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you give this a try.